You know why Aristotle thought of developing a science of logic? Have you any idea? Why? So, until the time of Aristotle, mathematics was the ideal science. Until the time of Aristotle, mathematics was the ideal science. In the sense, when you propose a theory, when there is a hypothesis, in order that to be accepted as a truth, a valid form of knowledge, it should be demonstrated. And until the time of Aristotle, only mathematicians were able to demonstrate the theories they proposed. We learned about Pythagoras, and you know Pythagoras theorem, and the mathematicians were able to demonstrate why that theorem is true, and that becomes a part of your knowledge. Pythagorean theorem is a square plus b square is equal to c square. You have learned that. A right triangle. It's about a right triangle. A square plus b square is equal to c square. They were able to demonstrate it in different contexts. Wherever you do it, whenever you do it, it will give you the same result. 2 plus 3 is 5. There is no doubt. Wherever you do that calculation, addition, you find it correct everywhere. 2 plus 3 is always 5. There is no doubt about that. So that kind of certainty of demonstration was found only in mathematics. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 is the archetype of all scientific truth. It cannot be false in any way. But when you come to some other sciences, something that was held as true earlier was proven wrong later. You know something like that? During the time of Aristotle or in the ancient period, everyone believed the earth is flat. Do you agree? The earth is flat. It was a scientific belief for them. The best brains of the world in ancient period considered that earth is flat. They also considered earth is the center of everything. All other planets, stars, everything revolved around the earth. Even the sun revolved around the earth. This was the belief. Or this was, rather than belief, this was their scientific knowledge. They saw it, they observed it, they might have analyzed and finally came to a conclusion that earth is flat. Because it is seen so. The sun is revolving around the earth. Because it is seen so. They observe it so every day. Every morning, every evening they see it. But is that knowledge correct? Is that knowledge correct? We know today it is not correct. So a statement that was once regarded as true would be proved untrue later. Even today the science is not certain. We believe that atom is the smallest particle, means atom is an indivisible element. Atom. And now you know electron, proton, neutron. Again you divide it, you find so many things. You understand? So the knowledge of today will be considered as wrong tomorrow in any other science. Only in mathematics that certainty is there. You get the point. So Aristotle thought that we need to have a demonstrative certainty in other sciences as in the case of mathematics. So Aristotle aimed to attain in other sciences the demonstrative certainty of mathematics. So Aristotle wanted to develop a system or a scientific method with which truth shall be demonstrated in other sciences. In mathematics, there is a method to demonstrate the truth. There was no scientific method to demonstrate truth in other sciences. So Aristotle wanted to develop a scientific method with which truth shall be demonstrated in other sciences. So that's how he goes on to discover or develop a system of logic which becomes a toolbox of philosopher or which gives a kind of certainty about demonstration of truth in other sciences.